like to talk about the printing direction about E3 and many others, which means the rolling direction is supposed to go this way, right? But sometimes, especially you're gonna notice, we have many different firmware. Some is white on the left, some is white on right. You change around, you find the notice the problem is the feeding in the wrong direction. And you think you can change some settings here. No, you cannot. If the medium is feeding in the wrong direction, the only thing you can change is on the wiring. Let me switch it off for now. So you will see on here, if you read the manual on CNCU, you can notice this from here, they have 4 of the 4 pin. They're all 4 stepper motor driver, stepper motor. That's why it's 4 wire. So the first one, where's my finger? Where's my finger? Okay, the first one, this yellow one, this one, this is for the ink station. Then this is Y1, Y2. We don't have Y2, only Y1. If you plug it out,
Baba.
Shh. Okay. If you take it out, okay, I take it out more. But you will see it's 4 pin. And if it's AABB stepper motor driver, that's why I changed the 2 wire. And that's why they're very easy to pull out now. But that's the only way you can change the feeding direction. Okay, you have to change the wire. Basically push, they come out. Yeah, those kind of pin.